Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Ima classes. Living world and classification of microbes. Need of classification. According to 2011 census, around 87 million species of living organisms are found on the earth, including land and sea. All the living organisms on earth have adapted accordingly to geographic regions, food ingestion, defense. While adapting, many differences are observed in the organisms of same species too. Groups and subgroups were created considering the similarities and differences among the living organisms. This process of dividing living organisms into groups and subgroups is called biological classification. Introduction to scientists. Carl Linnaeus in 1735 divided living world in two kingdoms, Vegetalia and Animalia. Haeckel in 1866 considered three kingdoms, Protista, plants and animals. Chatton in 1925 created two groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Copeland in 1938 divided living organisms into four kingdoms, Monera, Protista, plants and animals. Robert Harding Whittaker, 1920 to 1980, was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. For his classification, Whittaker considered following criteria: complexity of cell structure, prokaryotic and eukaryotic; complexity of cell organisms, unicellular or multicellular; mode of nutrition, plants, autotrophic, photosynthetic; fungi, saprophytic, absorption from dead organisms; animals, heterotrophic and ingestive; lifestyle, plants, producers; animals, consumers; fungi, decomposers; phylogenetic relationship, prokaryotic to eukaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. Let's have a look at this figure. 5-kingdom system of classification. Living organisms are classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes include unicellular organisms, which are included in kingdom Monera. Eukaryotes are unicellular organisms or multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are included in the kingdom Protista. Multicellular organisms includes kingdom Fungi, where cell wall is present but organisms can't perform photosynthesis. Multicellular organisms also include kingdom Plantae, where cell wall is present and organisms can perform photosynthesis. Multicellular organisms also include kingdom Animalia, where there is no cell wall. Microbes. Classification of microbes. Among the living organisms, Microorganisms are largest in number, hence they are classified as follows. Let's have a look at this figure. Microorganisms are classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes include bacteria. Eukaryotes includes protista, fungi, algae. Remember, with reference to size of microbes, 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from IMA classes.